So I've been painting up these Wildspire miniatures and I'm really liking them. So there's this guy. Here's the gnome wizard I'm working on. Oops. This guy's really awesome. I'm still got to finish the end of his fire. But he's just a really cool little knight. Or she, I don't know. Haven't read the character background on that one. This one I like. I did something a bit different. I put gold in the eyes of the skull. I love that his shield is a gravestone. Now, by no means are these miniatures finished. Oh, coming out of the doorway of the hut, this little gnomish dwarven witch. I think it's a dwarf. But she looked perfect right there, like as if this was her house. Because also with the garden, she just looks like someone who would tend to a garden. Here's the troll queen. Just got to do some highlights on that one. This is not Wildspire, but just give you an idea of where I am with the elephant. It's coming along nicely. But I definitely recommend these Wildspire miniatures. As you can see here, lots of great details. They take paint fantastically well. Very exciting, dramatic poses. A wide array of gnomes, dwarfs, pixies, trolls, and I've got the rest of them slap chop ready, but I'm going to finish these ones up first before I begin next set. And I've also got more work to do on the witches. So I have started doing some lighter grey stones. I'll do dark grey stones and then some stones mixed with grey and browns, just to give it a more natural look. So that's where we're sitting at right now.